All right, now we need to cut our fabric for the lining of our tote. So this should be a much lighter weight, softer fabric. It doesn't need to be as durable. And for this fabric, we need 18 inches wide, so just like before, and then 32 inches long. So a little bit shorter, and you'll kind of see why later. So I've got this kind of raw edge from the store, and I don't want that because it's got a lot of like puckers and pokes, and I don't want to include that in my fabric. So what I'm actually gonna do is trim a little right here. So it's crinkled, there's some holes, and then I'm gonna make a little cut, you know, about an inch or so. And then I'm literally just going to tear this all the way down. All right, so now it's still a raw edge, but at least it's only raw right on the side, whereas this one had all those holes all the way through, and that was gonna look really ugly if we left that. So now you take the edge that you've made nice and lay it down just like we did before. And just like before, you're gonna take your measuring tape. You're gonna measure over 18. Just like before, you're gonna mark it. You're gonna slide it down. You're gonna mark it. Now make sure this isn't all crooked. Make sure it's nice and straight. If you have this cutting mat underneath, it's really helpful because you can kind of see the lines through since this is a somewhat sheer fabric. And for the sake of time, I'll go ahead and just show you. You'll do that all the way down. And the way you know where to stop is at 32.